Wishing you a very happy Makar Sankranti to everyone. If you are first time, do subscribe to my channel now. Today we will going to discuss about the significance of Makar Sankranti, also the tips to celebrate this festival with festive joy, and also some special gifts for this celebration. Makar Sankranti finds a lot of reference to Lord Surya. It is celebrated on 14th January of each year in the Hindu traditions and marks the first day of the transition of sun into Makar. It marks the beginning of Uttarayan. Uttarayan is the word popular for Makar Sankranti in Gujarat in India. Many people see the Makar Sankranti celebration as the symbol of joy and happiness. It also signifies the harvesting of Rabi crop. In the northern part of India, Makar Sankranti is seen as the great day of joy for the farmers. Makar Sankranti is the only festival which is celebrated on the fixed date of 14 January. Now what makes Makar Sankranti different is the involvement of the lot of til and jaggery in the sweets made on this occasion. The festival of Makar Sankranti is celebrated differently in each state of India and it goes by different names too, like Pongal in South, Maghi in Punjab, Uttarayan in Gujarat and so on. It is the tradition mostly followed in Hadoti area of Rajasthan and Gujarat state. You can see the sky full of just kites and nothing else on this day, and people literally go crazy for the entire day. It is considered as the holy bathing day too. Makar Sankranti is all about devotion towards the Lord Surya and hence people consider it as a very holy occasion. Now let me give you few tips on this Makar Sankranti. Tip number 1. Please take care of yourself by flying the kites. Tip number 2. Eat jaggery and til laddus for your good health. Tip number 3. Celebrate this Makar Sankranti in different way. Celebrate it with the people who cannot afford things on their own and give them a reason to smile on this festival. Now I will be telling you some gift ideas for your Makar Sankranti. The first one is the Kaju rolls. The most common gift that you can give to someone on the wonderful occasion of Makar Sankranti is sweets. Next is the hexagon dry fruit basket. The another gift that you can choose for the Makar Sankranti celebration is the dry fruit basket. The next idea is the layer lucky bamboo. This bamboo plant are seen as the symbol of lucky and prosperity when placed in someone's home. And the next idea that I am going to share is the sunburst wall clock. Next you can take from is the decorative diyas. You can also go for the small pouches or the small wallets if you are using it for haldi kumkum. Next I am going to share few ideas that you can go for in your haldi kumkum celebration. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you for watching.